When creating flowers for a summer event, casual, maybe a picnic, I often turn to the kitchen and look for vessels that would be perfect. For this, the Fiesta Ware pitcher, using a little floral netting. That's the secret. Let me show you how it's done. The vessel, a vintage Fiesta Ware pitcher. It was my mother-in-law's. Inside, I put a bit of floral netting to give myself a little more security, and then filled it with fresh water pre-mixed with flower food. The flowers, we're thinking bright, happy, festive for Fiesta Ware, using the color wheel and going polychromatic, which is 5 or more colors. So we've got roses, bachelor buttons, hypericum, allium, yarrow. It's going to be stunning. The base, bit of mock orange. The white will be a brightening that again makes it even more festive. To begin, starting with the mock orange, let's place that in to create a wonderful base to support everything. Breaking it down, it's woody. It does better if you whittle it a little bit and break it, and then letting it come out nice and full, trailing, maybe even going off camera as it extends out. Then a little bit shorter, tucking it in, making sure the angle works well, and the netting holds it in place so that it doesn't move around, and it's nice and secure, whittling a bit, and then finishing it off on the back side as well. First, creating the emphasis, the main impact of the design, using the globe allium. It's so big and dramatic. You want it to be low, to anchor the eye, to visually start the arrangement. Then coming back, the orange spray roses, picking up the color of the picture, enhancing the unity, inserting them, and extending, making sure to full cover the back. Even though it has a front facing you, you want the back side to be equally as beautiful because people see it from all sides. Then coming back with a little more brightness, the yellow yarrow, the green hypericum, radiating through that central binding point, anchoring into the chicken wire floral netting to make sure that it's solid, and then coming back with the softer blooms, the bachelor buttons, letting them come out a little taller, and then grouping them for impact, because they're so delicate. It needs 2 or 3 to really have the visual to show off. As I finish, tucking in a few more of the bachelor buttons. Some people call them cornflowers, centaurea, different names, but bringing it out a bit towards the back so that again it's all sided, tucking it, and then looking at the extension of green and balancing it with a little bit of an extension of green on the opposite side, letting it trail outward and softening so that you have that movement from side to side. The recipe, once I finished, I realized it needed just a tiny bit of ruscus, maybe 1 piece there and 1 over here. So I have 2 Israeli ruscus that I just tucked in to get a little bit of depth. Now back to the recipe. Mock orange, 3 stems. Then I went to the fun flowers. So we have 1 of the allium, 5 of the orange spray roses, 5 of the green hypericum, 4 of the yellow yarrow, and then I ended up using 7 of the bachelor buttons. Last, I tucked in the lily grass, and I used a total of 6 stems to finish that draping. The Fiesta Ware pitcher, it's a perfect container for a summer floral design. For more creative inspiration, and you'll see more videos using this pitcher, check out the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Find your favorite pitcher, add flowers, then take a picture and post it on social media. Hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.